Hello guys, welcome to Prevailing Update TV. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the notification to be notified when we drop any new videos. Today I will teach you how to create a Office 3D mockup. Firstly, open your Photopea on your Chrome. Press the Psd Template. Search for the office and select this. Click on this twice, double tap on it. Click on the eyes, then go to your file, open and place, press that one. Select your logo, the logo that you want to place on it. Open it, stretch it, enlarge it through. Then go to the file, press save as marked object, then go back to your office. As you can see, this is the result of the work that you have done. Then if you want to save, go to the file, export as JPG, quality will be 100, then press the save, then we are good to go. You can also do this if you are using your phone. If you have any problem with it, please let us know in the comment section.